What up guys, Sebo here. Today I'm shooting a video on how to use ChatGPT's code interpreter to analyze your LinkedIn connection data to help you get your next job or your next customer. Let's crack on. So step one is obviously going into your LinkedIn account. So go to your LinkedIn and what you're looking to do here is actually get and download your connection data. And where this actually sits is in the settings section. You want to come down to data privacy, right? And then you want to go to get a copy of your data. So I've already done this, right? But I'll just quickly show you. These are the different like data files you can download. So for today's video, I'm going to show you kind of the connection data. So this is essentially like your friends on LinkedIn, the people you're connected with. When you select it, you essentially request that data, and how it actually is delivered to you is through email. It takes a little bit of time to come through, but you'll get an email that when you click on it will take you back to that original page of what I was just showing you, and then you can hit the download archive, which will essentially give you the relevant data file you need for this exercise. Okay, so I've already done that, so I won't do that again. But what I will do is I will go to ChatGPT 4 and show you kind of how you can use it to ask questions and get insights out of your LinkedIn connection data. So once again, GPT-4 is where we're playing. You want to have advanced data analysis on, and this is essentially the new name for code interpreter. And what you want to do is upload the LinkedIn file that you got, the spreadsheet that you got. And what you want to do here is you want to tell ChatGPT that what the file is, that you want help to analyze it, and that you're going to ask some questions around it, right? So I'm uploading my contact data from LinkedIn. I would like your help to analyze it. Can you please confirm you can read the data in the spreadsheet? So that's not the exact prompt you need to type out, but something along those lines is kind of what you want to do. You want to tell ChatGPT what you're uploading. You want to tell them like the task, the high level task that you want help analyzing it, and then you're going to just want them to confirm that you can read the data properly. And you can see here, these are the different fields that are actually in the data, right? The first name, last name, what company, what position, how long you've been connected to them. Okay, so that's awesome, right? So now you can just start to ask some questions, right? So can you can tell me what company all my contacts work for in a table, and how many people work for that company? Can you tell me what company all my contacts work for in a table, and how many people work for that company? That's not even a nicely worded question, right? But let's see if it can actually deliver something that's usable here, right? Yeah, that's awesome. All right, like that wasn't even a well worded question or like prompt, right? But it's essentially done the task. I said, can you tell me all the companies that my contact works for and how many people work for them? And this is right. So Telstra was the first company I worked for out of university. It is where most of my contacts are. So let's see what else. Here's a table showing the companies where your contacts work, along with the number of contacts working at each. This is a partial view. The table contains information on a total of 711 companies. I do have a lot of contacts. Awesome, right? So I could ask them to complete this full table. I won't do that. But you can see that's a quick table that's been generated. So let's ask something else. What can I ask? Can you give me a breakdown of contacts by role type? Once again, this is a pretty ambiguous question. Well, it's not ambiguous, but I'm not giving the stupidly detailed, prescriptive how I want to class the role types, right? But once again, Here's a breakdown of contacts by role, showing the top 20 roles by brevity. Okay, awesome. So I've got a lot of founders, a lot of general managers, a lot of co-founders, a lot of business development people, a lot of senior product managers. Among your contact, would you like more details or any insights from this data? No, actually, I want to go, how many of my contacts work in sales roles? So this is an interesting question to ask, right? Because not everyone's going to have the title sales. So it needs to actually kind of map roles, or look at role types and essentially role names and kind of map it to the category of sales. So let's see what that came up with. You have 7 contacts who work in sales roles based on the keywords used to identify such position. Would you like to further break down or insights later? Yes, please. All right, let's see what they've done here. And so this is very useful, right? So if you've got a company and you're looking to hire a salesperson, you're not going to have to go through your list one by one. You can kind of come in here and kind of go, all right, give me a breakdown of all the people who are in sales roles, create me the list, and then you can start to outreach them if you're looking to hire a salesperson. Here's a breakdown. I've got 9 people in the business development manager role, 5 in an enterprise account. So I could obviously ask them to expand this list. I won't do that just to save you guys time. Let me say, and then here's an example. If someone's looking for a job, let's quickly identify all the recruiters on my list that I could reach out to. How many recruiter contacts do I have? Can you please list them by name and company? So if you're looking to find your next job, this is a great prompt to ask, right? So you can figure out what recruiters do you already have in your contact or your network that you can potentially reach out to for help. Awesome. All right, and this actually, you have 13 contacts who work in recruiter roles. Here's a list of their names and associated companies. And this is an accurate list of people. Like, I'm looking at the names here, and these guys actually are all recruiters. You can verify if you want to go and look. They probably like the exposure and the extra business. Anyway, I might pause it here for this video. Just wanted to quickly show you how you can use ChatGPT's code interpreter to analyze your LinkedIn connection data. Obviously, you can probe a bit more. You can expand the tables and get some real great insights. Whether you're looking for your next job or you're looking for your next prospect or lead to close a deal on. So, guys, highly recommend that you check it out. Really cool functionality, really cool use case. Let me know how you go. Peace.